Something shifted this week, not because it was perfect, but because I started. I stopped waiting for everything to line up. I stopped rehearsing. I stopped overthinking. And I pressed publish. That's what courage looks like sometimes. It isn't flawless. It isn't polished. It's just willing. There's a different kind of confidence that comes after you take action. You realize the fear wasn't the barrier, but perfection was. And now, I'm not chasing perfection. I'm building momentum. This is what restoration looks like sometimes, in real time. Learning, adjusting, creating, and continuing. I don't know exactly where this journey will take me, but I do know this. I'm no longer standing still, and that changes everything.